going to talk about heritage. And the plan is that I will start with a brief introduction, and then I have a few questions lined up. And in a broad sense, we're going to talk about heritage, both built heritage, but also individual and you could say less material heritage.
I'm associate professor at the Faculty of Theology in Cattolica, as we call it. I'm acting dean of the faculty at this point, just about to leave this charge, but still acting dean. I was also the director of for 4 years of our research center, because then they're just not utilitarian buildings that somehow lost their evident utilitarian need. Therefore, we can make anything else out of them.